Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a form in Figma. We'll start by laying the groundwork for our input fields. First, create a text layer for your label, perhaps email address. Next, draw a rectangle for the input field itself, aiming for a height of 48 pixels. Give it a subtle border radius, maybe 4 to 8 pixels for a softer look. Finally, add placeholder text inside, like enter your email, to guide your users. This foundational step is crucial for any well-designed form. Now, let's bring our form to life with interactive states. Duplicate your basic input field to create variations for default, hover, and focus states. For the hover state, you might subtly change the border color or add a slight shadow. When the field is focused, consider changing the border to your primary brand color for clear visual feedback. Utilizing Figma's interactive components, you can link these states together, creating a truly realistic and engaging prototype experience for your users. Next, we'll integrate essential form elements like buttons and validation. Design a clear submit button with text such as submit or send message. It's also vital to create error states for your input fields. This could involve a red border and a small, informative error message below. Grouping related elements, like a label, input field, and its error message, into a single component helps maintain organization. Remember to ensure consistent spacing, typically 8 or 16 pixels, between all your form elements for a polished look. Finally, let's organize and prototype our complete form. Arrange all your form elements logically within a frame, ensuring a clear visual hierarchy. Leverage Figma's auto layout feature to efficiently manage spacing and responsiveness across your components. In prototype mode, connect your form submit button to a success screen, simulating the user journey. It's crucial to thoroughly test your form's entire flow to guarantee a smooth, intuitive, and delightful user experience from start to finish. This final step ensures your form is ready for action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.